Children, let's read and spell the words. A boy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. A girl. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. The children are at school. They stand in a circle to talk to one another. Kelly says, "I am Kelly. I am a girl." Then Mike says, "I am Mike. I am a boy." It comes to Anne. "I am Anne. I am a girl." Look at Henry. He takes out his toy dog and says, "I am Roy. I am a dog." The children laugh. Children, let's listen to the song.
I am Kelly, come stand next to me. I am a girl, come stand next to me.
B, 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 b. Children, listen to the sound of the letter B. Let's say it. B. 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 Bag. B. B. Book. B. B. Boy.